In this video, I'm going to introduce 3 best AI music generators: UDIO, SUNO, and Stable Audio. I will dive into features of each tool and learn you how to use them. An important and controversial issue about AI music generators is their legal terms. I have extracted the most important legal aspects for each of these tools. Let's start. UDIO is a text-to-music AI. Its beta version is free. We can input a description of the music and genres of interest. The generated music is 30 seconds, but it can be extended to longer durations. UDIO can also generate music using custom lyrics. We can generate music in many styles or even in different languages. Let's listen to a few music samples generated by UDIO.
Castles high in cotton skies, where paper planes dare to fly, chasing dreams with bare feet, and whispering winds our hearts beat.
Score, score, score. When the crowd roars, 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 make the stadium. Justo vi el juego y me encantó. La pasión, la gloria y con solo besos.
UDIO has released a comprehensive list of legal terms on its website. If you plan to use the UDIO for business purposes, I advise you to go through these terms. Read them carefully. I have extracted the most important points that might be questions for most of us. These are the most important terms. You can take a screenshot. In a nutshell, the UDIO company does not claim ownership of your content, but you consent to let them use your content for training their AI models and generating new contents. Be careful about this point. You should not use any copyrighted material in your input content. You can use the generated content for personal and commercial purpose, but you should give a credit to UDIO. And you can use others' contents, available on UDIO servers, only for personal uses. SUNO is another popular AI music generator. Similar to UDIO, you can input a prompt to describe the topic and genre of the music. You can also extend the generated tracks. The process is pretty easy. You can do it by using the option, Continue form this clip. Let's listen to SUNO music samples.
Sunsets calling from the west side, ocean breeze, it's a wild ride. Cruising down on the sandy shore, San Diego Beach.
Driving down the freeway, California sun, feeling so alive. The summer's just begun. Keys on the keyboard, electric guitar strums.
SUNO offers a free and 2 paid plans. You can check their conditions here. The free plan doesn't let to use the generated music for commercial purposes. Terms of service for SUNO are available on their website. And if you plan to use it for business, you should go through these terms. I have summarized the most important points. You may take a screenshot. In a nutshell, as a free user, you cannot use the generated songs commercially. You should give credit to SUNO, and SUNO retains the ownership of the songs you generate. To have ownership of your songs and use them commercially, you should subscribe to one of the paid plans of the SUNO. Also, if you cancel your paid subscription, you will maintain your rights on songs generated during that time. Stable Audio provides more control on the music generation process compared to UDIO and SUNO. You can input a prompt to describe the song, select style of the music from a library, and set some extra parameters to adjust properties of the generated song. The length of music tag can be up to 3 minutes, which is much longer than UDIO and SUNO. In a text prompt, you can set the mood, choose the instruments, and set the BPM, beats per minutes. Stable Audio allows users to input an audio along with text, which offers a higher flexibility for music generation. We can listen to 2 short music samples generated by Stable Audio. Stable Audio has a comprehensive terms of service, which you should check it in detail if you like to use the songs commercially. Stable Audio offers a free and multiple paid subscription plans. The free plan is only for personal uses. There are 3 creator licenses and an enterprise license. You can check their conditions here and choose the plans suitable for your commercial applications.